Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to find tags in vidIQ. Before we start, if you don't have a vidIQ account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to unlock premium vidIQ features for only $1 for your first month. It's the easiest way to test vidIQ on your own YouTube channel and follow this tutorial step by step. It's actually pretty easy. As you can see here at the homepage, you'll be able to see add missing tags. If you can't find it, you just gotta scroll down and find the tag section, okay, for your specific video. Now you can go ahead over to the left panel and click on generate. Okay. Now in here, just add in your video topic. For example, how to find tags in vidIQ. This one is the video topic. You can go ahead and click on generate. And then you'll have the title, the description, and below the best tags. So you can just copy it and paste it under your tags section from your YouTube studio. All right. And that's basically it. That's how simple it is to find tags here in vidIQ. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.